In this episode we will ride between Yen Minh and Lung Coo. Not only do we get to ride more spectacular mountain passes with magnificent scenery, but also visit secluded Hmong ethnic villages before arriving at our homestay in Lung Coo. I hope you enjoy the ride. Our first stop after leaving Yen Minh is the viewpoint located at the top of Tham Ma Pass. The pass is 5 kilometers long and the viewpoint is a very popular spot to stop and take photos of this iconic S-shaped mountain pass. Women and children of ethnic minorities come here dressed in their traditional clothes to sell flowers to tourists and appreciate a tip when having their photo taken. Wang told us that in the past, the Tham Ma Pass was used by locals to test their horses. The slope was used to measure how strong their horses were, and only the fit and strong were kept. Hence the other name used for this pass, testing horses.
Heart starts beating out my chest, breath strains in and out. Fought this feeling long enough, can't escape you now. Just a word, just a glimpse, I'm a soul in eclipse overtaking. My defense is for you, the altar call for my saving. Ooh, take me higher, take me higher, take me higher than I have reached in heaven before. Take me higher, take me higher. We'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we will soar. Going higher, higher, higher. Going higher. Higher. Higher, higher. We'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we will soar. Going higher, higher.
Okay, I'm so high that you take my breath away. Get a little closer every step I take. My time, my money, my ease. Take it all from me till it ain't nothing left, okay. I got a brand new feeling. Take me up, need a brand new ceiling. Said you can't do, but man, you did it. Tryna live without you, like now you tripping. I love just how you come put it down. Come make heaven open up. I was lost, but now I'm found. Right here deep inside your love. Know you move on your own time. Just don't make me wait too much. Cause on the ground I get tired. Come reach out to me, take me higher, yeah.
Take me higher, take me higher than I have reached in heaven before.
Come on.
Take me higher, take me higher. You'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we will soar. Going higher, higher, higher.
Come take me high, come take me high. Come take me high, come take me high, take me high.
Higher, higher. We'll be lost in the clouds where the angels have found we will soar. Going higher, higher.
We have just ridden through another amazing mountain pass called the Nine Ramps, or in Vietnamese, the Doc Chin Wang Pass. I hope I have that pronunciation correct. And wow, while the road looks impressive from the top of the pass, it is exhilarating to ride this pass on a motorbike. After conquering the pass, we arrive in the Co Lao Valley. After passing through the small villages of the valley, we turn off the main 4C highway and start to climb into the mountains that tower above the valley floor. We are on our way to visit a couple of ethnic minority villages, and this will be our next stop. We are now visiting the Lao Xa village, home to the ethnic minority Hmong people. The earthen houses framed by the different fruit trees that are now in full bloom make for a beautiful scene. In Vietnamese, Lao Xa means ancient house, and in the Lao Xa village there are about 5 ancient houses. The oldest of these has opened as a homestay, and while we didn't stay there, we did have a look around. The homestay is surrounded by the traditional stone fence with the large welcoming gate. The Lao Xa village is 6 kilometres from the centre of the Son La commune. The house itself is a traditional Hmong house made of clay, with the yin-yang tiles on the roof. In the middle of the main living-eating area, there is a fireplace used all year round for cooking and heating. With no chimney, the smoke from the fire is used to smoke the pork hanging from the ceiling.
You see the chó.
Oh, you're so cute.
It's back.
So cute. And while the village is welcoming tourists, they have managed to keep their cultural tradition and identity. Together with the friendliness of the Hmong people, this is a delightful village to visit and one of the most beautiful on the Ha Giang Loop.
just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear, but your words speak much louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear, running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away.
After our stop at the H'mong village, we are now back on the bike. We took a shortcut from the village, riding down narrow lanes and small country tracks to get us back onto the 4C highway. We were only on the main highway for a short while before again branching off onto a smaller road that runs through the village past the H'mong King's Palace. The H'mong King's Palace is located in the Sa Fin Valley, 14 kilometres from Donban. The building was built in the 19th century and apparently is very well preserved. We didn't stop here, but it was getting late and we wanted to stop at the Khe Lia Panorama viewpoint before the sun went down. Unfortunately, you can't get to see everything. We did think we were once again on the 4C highway, but it turns out we actually turned off the 4C just after the H'mong King's Palace, onto this road, which is the DT 182B. This road is an alternate route to Donban if you're coming from Yen Minh and want to go via the Khe Lia Panorama or Long Khu. This is the road to take. When you get to the panorama viewpoint, the road does a tight turn and heads back to Donban. We, however, will continue to head north on a road called the DCCQG for a further 16 kilometres till we reach Long Khu and our stop for the night.
the battle within your soul. You know it's all in your head. Being sad doesn't make you smart. It seems your heart just needs a fresh start. Just you, who's too proud to let go? All your enemies you keep trying to hide, they don't exist outside of your mind.
Hi, well it's 5:33. We left at 8 o'clock this morning. I don't know, do the calculations, I think that's about 10 hours. We're not there yet, not sure. I think maybe about another half an hour to get to our homestay. But I'm not sure. I think tomorrow we go to the northernmost point of Vietnam and the flagpole. We were supposed to get there this afternoon, but look, it's nearly dark, so I don't think we'll be making that this afternoon. I'll swing it around. Oh my god, feels like you're on top of the world. I just Oh, God. They're probably waiting for us to go. That's our bikes down there. And the bottom there, that's a valley down there. Way down. Okay, and I think, yeah, sun's nearly setting. See ya. Okay, so we got into this homestay at about 6 o'clock. So yeah, I was thinking that it was 8 hours on the bike, but I think it was more like 10. So we're finally here. I actually feel quite good. Mainly when I got off the bike, my feet are like pins and needles, but once I walk around I'm okay. And yeah, so we're in a homestay that's basically on the northernmost part of Vietnam, so right on the Chinese border. And tomorrow we go up to the view the flagpole and like right to the border. I don't know, I have this thing about wanting to go to the Chinese border. So anyway, and we're about to have dinner, and I'll just show you. Otherwise, hang on, I'll just show you. And back to me. Oops. And we have a bath. We have a bath. We have hot water, so that is good. And a rain shower head. And Western toilet, which is good. And but the bed's as hard as anything. Oh my God, hang on, I'll turn around. Oh God. Okay, so not beer, but rice wine or happy water.
Show it towards us. Show it towards us.
So cheers
Yeah.
from Long Cu. Long Cu.
You can say chúc sức khỏe.
Long Cu.
Chúc sức khỏe. Chúc sức khỏe is mean cheers in Vietnam.
Oh,
Vietnam.
Tuk Sa Kway.
Yeah, perfect.
Tuk Sa Kway from Long Cu.
Yes.
Do you want to do it again now?
No, it's okay. It's fine.
Đây à?
Say if it's good then.
It's good.
Oh.
Yep. And then introduce our drivers.
That is King Kong. Yawn?
Trevor.
Yawn.
You forget my name.
No.
My name is Sa.
Senior guide.
My name is Wang.
Wang.
No.
Wang.
Wang.
Kwang.
Wang.
Kwang.
Wang.
Wang is different.
Oh,
Wang.
Wang's Wang.
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 Kwang.
Wang. So very, very good drivers. Very good drivers, and they got us here safely. And they must be very tired as well. Long day.
And you're in the battle zone.
And we're in the battle zone. Because the Chinese invaded Vietnam in 1979 to 1984.
In this area.
In this area. Learned that tonight.
1984.
Yeah, 1979 to 1984.
Yes.
Yeah.
1984.
So tomorrow we that's it. You can turn it off now.
Turn off.
Yeah.
Hang on, we got to do the feed yet.
Yeah, we can
just-
drink together.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Okay. Okay, hang on, I hope I get this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Chúc
guys.
sức khỏe.
Chúc sức khỏe.
Thank you.
Chúc sức khỏe.
Chúc sức khỏe, yeah?
In one
Yeah.
one line. Oh.
This liquor made from corn.
Oh, it's
Oh,
not
corn.
rice.
No, not
No,
rice.
no, corn. Corn.
No more rice here. It's popular. It's
Corn, yeah, yeah, corn. Actually, it tastes different because I had some happy water on the side of the road the other day in Kabang.
The kabang is the most popular is rice.
Rice, yes, and it actually tastes different to this, slightly different flavour.
Why did you stay in waterfall?
No, we didn't
Homestay?
stay at the waterfall. We went out to see the hole in the mountain, the Angel's Eye, and we got off the bus and we were walking out there, and there's some people on the side of the road. They were drinking, so they cornered us to. Okay.
After that, after we eat whole the meat,
Okay.
we put into the hot water to make like noodles.
Oh,
okay.
so I thought it was. I thought it
said
was
it's
carrot.
like-
I thought it was carrot. You may have noticed I'm pretty rugged up tonight. We are here towards the end of February, and while the weather's been good, tonight here in Lung Ku it is quite cold. At dinner tonight I had a puffer jacket on under my fleece. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Also, that's it for the end of day 1 on the Ha Giang Loop. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Tomorrow we travel from Lung Ku to Mievac through Don Van and along the famous Ma Pass. So join us in the next episode for day 2 of the Ha Giang Loop. See you at the flagpole.
Oh, mushroom.
For anyone considering doing the Ha Giang Loop, we highly recommend Wang. These are his details.